Hey guys, today I just got my shipment in, my replacement Nest Mini from Google. So I'm going to tell you all about my experience with them in just a second. So here is my replacement. As I can see, it's a sealed box, so that means it's new. And the replacement process, I gotta say, it was tough to get a replacement. So let's open this up. While I open it up, I'm going to tell you guys how the process was to get a replacement. So at first I did contact them because my Nest Mini kept rebooting, so every single day I had to set it up again. So it was kinda bad. And they kept telling me to wait, that they're gonna look at it and look how it's doing, and I just had to wait. So I waited about a month, and then I said, okay, that's enough. It's being a month, they should know what's wrong with it. So I tried to contact them with my case, they didn't respond. So I needed to make a new case, and I did. I just made a new case where I told them about my old case number, and I told them that they weren't responding anymore, so that's why I had to make that new case, which I did. And finally they said, yeah, we know about the problem, we're just waiting for a software update that will fix it. And then that's when I told them, okay, obviously it's not something that's happening to all Nest Minis, and my Nest Mini is pretty useless if I have to set it up every single day in order to use it. So really the fix would be for you guys to keep your warranty and send me one that's working. Because luckily I have other Nest Minis. I have another 2 Nest Minis. So I told them that's not happening with my other 2 Nest Minis. So obviously it's something going on with that particular Nest Mini and not with all Nest Minis. So they couldn't kind of BS their way out of there. So at the end of the day, what I told them is to transfer me to somebody that can actually help me out, because I'm not gonna wait a few more months for them to send out this fictitious software update to fix my Nest Mini, which was obviously not the case. If something's wrong with your Nest Mini and not your other ones, it's obviously that Nest Mini. And I did everything that they told me to do. I rebooted it several times. I did a bunch of stuff to it to see what's going on, and yet it kept happening. So finally, after I told them, okay, I have enough, just transfer me to somebody else that can actually help me out, because I need a replacement, something that's actually working, that's when they said, okay. And they went ahead to process a replacement. So how do they process a replacement? Well, they sent me an email. In the email, it contained something I had to print out in order to ship my faulty Nest Mini. So I just have to put my Nest Mini in a box. I did have to include the charger with it. So I sent those 2 out in a box with that label on it. Didn't cost me anything to do that. They sent me that label, and that was sent within the country actually. Once the receiver got it, they sent me this out. So that took a couple of days. Let's say the whole process of sending out plus getting the replacement back took less than a week. However, getting to contact with Google and trying to get that replacement, that I have to say it took more than a month, because they were, technically looking at my Nest Mini, just looking after it to see what's going on with it. But anyways, I finally got my Nest Mini replacement. This one's brand new from what I can see. I checked the serial number to see if it matches my old one, just in case they tried to do something sneaky like that. Luckily they didn't. They actually did send me a brand new one from what I can see so far. I'm gonna test it out, see if it's working or not, but I've got high hopes for this. If I have any further information for you guys, I will post it up. But for now, this is it. That's how I got my replacement. As you guys can see, it's nice and new. It came in the box sealed with everything that a brand new Nest Mini got, and another serial number. Anyways, that's my experience with Google. So make sure to push and push and push, and don't wait as long as I did. I waited way too long. Luckily, my other Nest Mini was brand new, so I had several months of warranty left. If you guys only have a week or something like that left, really push, because I'm pretty sure they're trying to just wait it out until your warranty's over, and then they can tell you, oh, whoops, no, your warranty's over. We can't send you anything because you have no more warranty. So really push for that warranty. And that would be it for this video. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.